Restora Bowl is marketed as a powerful toilet cleaning product that supposedly removes stains, grime, and buildup with minimal scrubbing. But the real question is, does it actually clean your toilet, or is it another overhyped cleaning product? Now, to be fair, many toilet bowl cleaners can help loosen stains and reduce buildup, especially when paired with proper scrubbing and regular cleaning. Consumer testing does show that some cleaners genuinely improve toilet cleanliness. What it does well may help remove light stains and grime. Like many toilet cleaners, products in this category can improve the appearance of the bowl, especially for regular maintenance cleaning. Can make scrubbing easier. A lot of toilet cleaners work best when left sitting for several minutes before brushing. Users on Reddit and cleaning forums often say soak time matters more than the brand itself. Where it falls short, not a miracle cleaner. This is the biggest issue. Heavy mineral buildup, rust stains, and long-term grime usually still require serious scrubbing or stronger descaling products. Marketing may exaggerate results. Ads for these products often show instant stain removal with almost no effort, but real-world cleaning usually still requires brushing, soaking, and repeated use. So, does Restora Bowl actually clean your toilet? Restora Bowl is likely just another standard toilet cleaning product rather than a breakthrough cleaner. It may help with light stains and routine maintenance, but stubborn buildup still usually needs manual scrubbing and realistic expectations. Final verdict. Restora Bowl equals decent basic toilet cleaning, not miracle restoration. If you want help maintaining a cleaner bowl, it may work fine. But if you expect instant removal of years of stains without effort, the marketing is probably overselling what it can realistically do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.